All right, guys, here we go. We're back here with Wait Bill Dig. Still doing my water lines. All right, so this time I'm going to show you a little bit of the, doing like I always do. So I'm going to try and get that blue line fished over like the red one. And let me get you set up, and we'll get started. Alrighty, here we are a few days later, probably a week later since I started doing my during video right there I showed you. So I'm going to just show you the 100% walkthrough. I do have all my water lines installed. So the kitchen sink right there. Right here is a line going outside to a hose bib. I'll show you that. We go over here. This is where the water heater is going to be. I know I showed you some of this already. Coming from outside. Whoop, up, over, and over into the bathroom. We'll take a shortcut through the wall. Alright, so we came down through the toilet. Our trunk line kept coming over. We went over here to the wall, down these two places right there. And then I had to cut out the wall right there like that, because there's no way to get in there with them hoses, so I just cut it all out like that, and then I put nail plates on it. Anyway, and then I worked my way over, came up, I can put a faucet right there. And at the end, over here, I 90'd it, reduced it, and come down, came down the walls for my shower right there. And then over here, that's my trunk line coming along, and I 90'd and teed off of that, and came over here, reduced it, came down the wall, and got two places so I can hook my dual sinks up. So I got that done. Then you keep following the trunk line, keep coming down, down and down and down. Probably making you guys go, what in the world? And I'll show you this way. Okay, so you come down that hallway, and I come right here, and I went up to the upstairs bathroom, as you can see right there and right there. And then I came over where I can come down the wall for the sink. And then kept going over with my trunk, teed off, and also went up. You can kind of see the line right there for the upstairs toilet. Come down and stubbed out for the tub. Stubbed out for the toilet. and my trunk lines went over, and instead of going through that little area right there, I decided to go around it because it's so hard to get in. I can barely get my arm in that little area right there because that 2x4 sticks out and there's one on each side. So the drywall has something to screw into, but anyway, it's just so tight I went around it. So I went around that and went from this side to where I could reach it, and then I came down the wall, reduced it to where I came down the wall, tied it into my wash, hook up. I have to show you on the other side. Boop, boop, boop. Oh. You know, like I was saying, I went over here, went around. Kind of still went through that little area, but it was more on the outside where I could reach it. Anyway, you can see it better right here, where I 90'd it and reduced it and everything came down. And then tied into the wash machine hookup. And then I kept going with the trunk on just the cold, reduced it and come down to half, and stubbed it for the outside. I put a drop ear right there. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe, I don't know how well you can see it. But there is a drop ear right there. And then I was able to put a pipe, thread a pipe into it with the hose bib on the outside, and now I have water hookups on the outside for front and back. So I'm going to show you them real quick. Doing my little thing. Okay. And there that is. So that sticks out to the wall. And the one on the back is the same. I'll show you that one as well. Anyway, I'm just real glad to be this far. Finally got all these water lines and stuff. It took me a long time. Probably like 3 weeks. If it was Saturday, I think tomorrow would be 3 weeks. Definitely 2.5. But anyway, it took me a while. And then here is the one on the back. You probably seen. So I have hookups now. And that's about it for my little tour. But now, all I have left to do is I gotta go buy faucets. Oh, you know what we gotta do? Gotta go upstairs. Hold on. Silly me. All right. Upstairs. I came up through the floor for the sink, for the toilet. When I came up here, I kept my trunk lines coming up, and then I reduced it. And you can kind of see, you know, I came up and got ready for the faucet. But on this side, this is what I did. Came up, reduced them, 90'd them, came over, and then came up around that area right there that I built for a good place to sit my faucet. And so anyway, like I was saying, water lines are all done. Now all I have left to do, and this will be on the next video, I'm going to install a faucet right there to where it's all installed and ready for drywall, and that'll seal up those, that'll seal, and that will seal the ends right there up to get ready for a water test, pressure test I mean. And over here in the master bathroom, I have to put, like I was saying earlier, I'm gonna put a faucet right there for the tub, and then like one in the one for the shower, and that one will have a line going up for the shower head and come out. Anyway, I get all that done, and of course put the tub here. So I'm gonna put a tub, 3 faucets, then I'll be ready to do my test. So that'll be on the next video. But anyway, real happy to be at this point. I know I said that, but I am. And so probably a couple more days and I'll have it all done. All right, till the next one.